Today, you will learn how to create unique emojis with Apple Genmoji and save them as JPEG or PNG images on macOS Sequoia 15.3. You will also learn how to resize your Genmoji characters. By the way, if you are looking for free applications to fix your Mac's issues and enhance performance, click more below this video to find the link to the tutorials in the description box. When you first use Genmoji, a welcome screen will appear. Click Continue. And you might need to open the system settings to activate Apple Intelligence. If you haven't activated Apple Intelligence on macOS Sequoia yet, please watch this step-by-step guide. You can find the link in the description box below this video. Next, you need to open an app that supports Genmoji characters such as TextEdit, Messages, Notes, or Apple Mail. In this tutorial, I'll use TextEdit with a dark background for the window. If you want to change the background color of the TextEdit window to white, click the View menu and uncheck Use Dark Background for Windows. For this tutorial, I will be using a dark background. To activate Genmoji, you need to open the emoji picker by holding down Command plus Control plus Space bar on your Mac keyboard. Suppose you want to generate a unique or custom emoji like a cute dog. Enter your description. Click the Create New Emoji button and wait for Apple Intelligence to create your Genmoji or emoji. By the way, if you accidentally click on your TextEdit window or the desktop, the emoji palette will disappear and you will have to start all over again, which is annoying. To prevent this from happening, click the top or bottom edge of the palette and drag it to the left or right to keep it open. After entering the first prompt, you can add more details to your Genmoji character, like a cute dog wearing a red scarf. Apple Intelligence will create several emojis for you. Click the arrow to see more options. When you find one you like, click the Add button to insert it into your TextEdit document. As you can see, it's quite small. To increase the size of your Genmoji character, select it and then set the font size to 64, 96, or 288. To save your emoji and use it as a JPEG or PNG image in other applications, take a screenshot of the image by holding down Shift plus Command plus 4. Then clicking and dragging the crosshair over the image. Once you are satisfied with your selection, release the mouse button and the screenshot will appear on your desktop. By default, the screenshot is in PNG format. If I copy and paste the image into a Word document which currently doesn't support Genmoji, it will appear with a dark background. To remove the dark background of your PNG image, right-click on it and select Open with Preview. Next, click the Markup tool in the toolbar, then the Instant Alpha button or icon. In the following step, move your cursor over the dark area, then click and slightly drag the crosshair until the black area is selected. If you drag crosshair too far, you will select the subject or the part of the image you want to keep, which we don't want to do. If you end up with rough edges around your image, undo your action by holding down Command plus Z keys and try again. Then press the Delete button on your keyboard or go to the Edit menu and select Delete to make the background transparent. If I copy and paste this image into a Word document, this is how it will appear after removing the background.
If you like this video, make sure to subscribe and ring the bell for more. Thank you.
The second method for removing your Genmoji or emoji background involves right-clicking on the image, navigating to Quick Actions, and selecting Remove Background. After that, you can copy and paste it into other applications. The third method is to open your Genmoji image using the Photos app. Then right-click on the image and select Copy Subject from the contextual menu. You will notice a white outline moving around the subject you want to keep. Next, paste your Genmoji into your document. To save your emoji as a JPEG file, right-click on the image and open it in the Preview app. Next, click on the File menu and select Export. Choose the JPEG option from the pop-up. Ensure you drag the quality slider to the right for the best quality, and finally click Save. To delete Genmoji on your Mac, open the Emoji Picker by holding down Ctrl plus Command plus Space Bar. Click the stickers icon at the bottom. Right-click on the Genmoji you wish to remove and select Delete. I hope you learned something new today. If you did, please consider subscribing by clicking on the LT Lucid Tutorials logo and sharing the video link with your friends. Your support will inspire me to create more videos for you. Thank you for watching.